Going on YouTube? Southpaw Pete here. What I have is Gutty Works by Parkinson Pickin. I'm going to be using a Jimmy Long's. I believe this is a low round hook, is what this is called, and the 50 thousandths Turner. Top of the keyway. Okay, let's give it a shot. Pin 1. Nice click. Pin 2. Pin 3. Couple clicks. Back to 2. Back to 1. 1 feel set. 2 feel set. 3 feel set. 4 is binding with a little counter rotation. Got a click. And 5. Where are we? I think I just lost everything there. Whoa, got some serious core movement there when I hit pin 1. Hopefully I didn't lose everything. Feels like 2 and 1 kind of dropped. Back to the beginning with 1, 2, 3, and we're in. All right. Thanks, Parky. Very intense challenge lock. Very good challenge lock. I will be making some modification and sending this on to the next person. Everybody have a great day. Rock and roll. Parkinson Pickin for the win.